Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Flex, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you should see this coolant reservoir, and on the side you'll see markings for full and low. So you don't want it completely full, there's supposed to be some air gap. And while you're working with the system, also make sure the vehicle's turned off and the motor's off and it's all cooled down. Just since this system works under pressure and this liquid can get to a boil, you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to shoot out on you. But when you're ready to add, make sure double check your owner's manual, go online, search you've got the best coolant type for your make and model. And typically also you want to match the same color and type of coolant that's already in here. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. When you're ready to add, just open this up, fill as needed with your diluted coolant jug, and then screw this back on nice and tight when you're at the full mark. And then at this point, I would probably start the vehicle, run it for a few minutes to circulate that new coolant through, then check around, see if you see any liquid forming under anywhere in the engine bay, under the car, around the radiator. If there is, then if it is coolant, then that's a good indicator there might be a leak or somewhere in that area that needs fixed. Wait until that apart from, say, water condensation is the coolant. It should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell. You don't really want it on your skin, but say you feel it with a glove, it'll feel slightly slick compared to water. But all that said, I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.